You ever have one of those big life goals that just feels so complicated you don't even know where to start? Well, today, we're going to grab one of those by the horns and break down exactly how to make it happen.
And that big idea? It's that buying your first car is actually achievable. It's a huge milestone, right? But to get you those keys, we need a really reliable roadmap. And that means first, we need to talk about the one rule that guides every single explainer we create.
I like to call it the golden rule. It's really this simple foundation that ensures everything you see and hear from us is clear, direct, and completely trustworthy.
And look, this is our non-negotiable commitment to you. With every single topic we cover, this rule is our promise of quality and, honestly, integrity.
And here it is. We only use the source material provided for each topic. That's it. No outside opinions, no extra web searches. Everything you see comes directly from the documents we're analyzing. It means you get the information straight. No filter, no spin. Just what the source says.
Which, brings us right back to our big topic today. Applying our golden rule, what exactly do the documents in front of us tell us about the step-by-step process of buying your first car?
And okay, here's the twist. They have almost nothing to say about it. I'm serious. This right here is the only time a car is mentioned in our entire source document, just as a simple example of an asset. There's no guide, no checklist, no tips. So under our golden rule, we can't make that explainer.
But this isn't a dead end. Not at all. Think of it more like a fork in the road. And the path we choose from here really illustrates how we find the real value in any topic we cover. So let's look at the options. Path A, we could go find totally new sources online about car buying. Or there's Path B. We stick with our rule and we pivot to explore the genuinely valuable, actionable topics that are already waiting for us inside the sources we have right now.
So yeah, we're choosing Path B. We're sticking to our golden rule. Because while a car buying guide isn't in here, these documents are absolutely packed with other brilliant practical information. So let's take a look at what we can build a fantastic explainer on.
For instance, there's a complete breakdown on how to get hired. And I mean the whole thing. Resumes, interviews, the works. A full guide to landing that job you've been aiming for.
Or what about this? How to easily file your taxes. Yeah, we could break down that whole stressful process and make it genuinely simple and straightforward for you.
And get this, we could also do a full explainer on how to start investing in index funds, a clear, actionable guide to making your money work for you. See, these are just some of the topics our source material is ready to unlock.
All this amazing, actionable information is right here, just waiting to be explained. So the real question isn't what we can do, it's what we should do first. So I'll turn it over to you. What should we explain next? Let us know.